Welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to share with you my haul from Andy's Orchids. I picked up a few of these plants at the open house, and also I ordered a few a couple of weeks before. So I just want to share what I got and how they're doing. So the first plant is the Cleisocentron gokusingii, and it is a species from Borneo. This plant is known for its true blue flowers, and it has kind of a light blue tinge throughout the flowers. This small division has one spike with 12 flowers, and so far the flowers are lasting about 2 to 3 weeks. The next plant is the Bobophillum tayorum, and it is a species from Thailand and Southeast Asia. I really love the foliage on this plant. It has a green upper layer and kind of a purple tinge underneath with purple pseudobulbs. When the light intensity is just right, it brings out those anthocyanins in this plant. Currently, this one has 2 growths that have matured, and I think there is a new growth coming in. It could be a spike or a new growth, but either way, I am really excited about this one. There is also several color forms for this plant. So I have the red form, but it also comes in kind of an orange or bicolor form. The next plant is a replacement from a plant that I had lost over the winter time. And this is Maxillaria pseudoreichenheimiana. Now, the spotted foliage on this plant is just beautiful and so stunning that I have to try this one again. In the wintertime, I left it too cold and wet, so it got rot and it didn't do well. But this time around, I'm definitely going to keep it drier and probably keep it indoors so that it doesn't get too cold. I'm hoping I can keep this one alive so that I can share the blooms of what this plant looks like. Now, the last 2 plants are Miltoniopsis species. Now, Miltoniopsis are known to be kind of finicky, even if they're hybrids. But I think this year I've been doing pretty well with my Miltoniopsis that I want to try the species and see how they do. So the first one I picked up is the Miltoniopsis santanie, and this one is a miniature warm grower. So this one is supposedly the easiest of the species to grow in my environment. This current plant looks to be a small division, so it has 3 pseudobulbs, 2 look fairly new, and 1 is starting to spike. I think there's going to be about 1 bloom on this one, so I'm really excited to see how this one will do. And if we have blooms, I will definitely share with you what they look like. The last plant is the Miltoniopsis vexillaria. And this one is a popular species to use in hybridization because it gives really large flowers. This plant is known to take cooler temperatures, but it has these really beautiful light pink or white flowers. On this plant, there is currently about 3 to 4 new growths. Hopefully, these will be mature by the winter time and we'll have some blooms in early spring. Currently, it's potted in a net basket, and I'm going to try to keep it as hydrated as possible. Now, all of these plants are spending time outdoors, and it gets about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight and the rest of the time in bright shade. I'm watering them about every day or every other day, depending on the weather, and I'm just trying to keep them as hydrated as possible. Most of these tend to do well in medium to low light conditions, so far they're acclimating really well. So that's my haul from Andy's Orchids. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!